Afafine Pele Ua tupu maua malosine Sa tausi maalofai Ia souma olo na olaga. We send you forth, beloved daughter. You've grown so strong and wise. With love we raised you gently through every day and night. Taluia male manuya, ia pui pui o ele hatua. Etu maupia lo matua lofa, ele motu si alava. Go now with every blessing. May God be your shield and guide. Our love will stay forever, a bond no distant break. Manatua upua umatua Ia savali malefa amaoni Ia eloto mawalalope Mafaalo alo itagata uma. Remember all the words we taught you. Walk in truth and dignity. Stay humble in your journey. Show respect to all you meet. Taluia male manuya. Ia pupula lo ala iluma. Pofe alava ete aluia. Iolo matolo to e muli muli atu. Go now with every blessing. Let your future shine so bright. Wherever life may lead you, our hearts walk by your side. Ewina tafelo matolo imata. Aetumu ile mita mita. Oe olomato fa amoe moe. Olomato fia fia silly. Though our tears may fall softly, they're filled with pride and love. You are our greatest joy, our gift from God above. Fata fele afafine pele. Ila lo famale filemu. Tue foi mai pia pia emanao. Tatala pealoma tu fale. We send you forth, beloved daughter, with love and peaceful hearts. Come home whenever you need to. Our doors are always open.